These white chocolate chip cookies are topped with a lemon glaze. They're zesty, they're soft, buttery, and decadent, and they are sure to satisfy your summer cravings. Hi, I'm Debbie, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cookies. We're going to start off with our dry ingredients, so flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix well and grab a separate bowl. Into that, we're going to add lemon zest and sugar. We're going to agitate the lemon zest and the sugar together, and this just brings out the oils from the lemon zest. Followed by some brown sugar and softened butter. This is important so we're able to cream the butter. Now we're not going to use any fancy equipment here, just a spatula and one bowl will do the trick. We're gonna add 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, lemon juice from a whole lemon, and we're gonna add a bit of vanilla extract. If you have it, go ahead and add some lemon extract. I didn't have any, but these are gonna be delicious. Add the dry and wet ingredients together. We're gonna mix and incorporate well. Make sure to scrape the edges with a silicone spatula to get all those dry bits. You'll notice that this dough is pretty sticky. We will have to chill this later on. So we're gonna go ahead and dump all of the chocolate chips in there. You can add little or as much as you'd like, but when it comes to chocolate, you should measure with your heart. With a parchment-lined baking sheet, we are going to use an ice scooper and scoop all of our cookie dough. I placed these in the freezer for a good 10 minutes just to firm up a bit, and after the 10 minutes they look like this. We're going to form them into a ball, and we're just going to add extra chocolate chips on top. Now this is for decorative purposes and of course for flavor. Forming them into a ball, it gives them a more uniform shape as well. Now this is the hardest part. You have to make sure you chill the dough. If you don't chill the dough, the cookie will overspread and the texture won't be as desirable. I'm just adding a few more chocolate chips just for finishing touches. After a few hours of chilling, we can finally bake our cookies. Once the cookies are done, let them sit for about a minute and place them on a wire rack to cool. While that's happening, we're going to make our glaze. We have 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, going to sift that and add a bit of lemon zest from a whole lemon and juice from an entire lemon. I add the juice slowly, just so I can control the consistency. I don't want it too watery, nor do I want it too thick. Make sure to grab all the sugar and scrape the edges. Now, a pinch of salt will help the flavors marry. This is the consistency you're looking for. Not too thin, not too thick, perfect to drizzle on top of the cookies. You are more than welcome to dip the cookies into the actual icing if you like, but I like the appearance of a drizzled cookie. The recipe will be listed down below in the description. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.